Hey guys, my name is Bill from the Log Cabin, and today we're gonna make a tornado in a jar.
The materials you will need is water, blue food dye, a mason jar, measuring spoons, vinegar, and dish soap. Make sure that is blue or clear. The first step is to pour the water into the mason jar. Make sure to leave 1 to 2 inches of space from the top of the jar. For the second step, we will be adding the blue dye. Add about 2 to 4 drops of dye to the water. On the third step, you will be adding any choice of glitter that you like. You can add 1 teaspoon of glitter, but if you want to, you can add more glitter for a more defined effect. For the fourth step, add 1 teaspoon of the clear or blue dish soap and then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now on the fifth and last step, you will be sealing the lid on the top of the jar, making sure it is tight enough before spinning the jar around.